Stationer, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I have a ZENPOP box unboxing video for you. If the lighting looks different, it's because I'm actually filming with all artificial lights at the moment. It's late at night and I really wanted to film this for you guys and get it up as soon as possible. So hopefully the lighting situation won't be too distracting. So let's get right into the unboxing. We've got February. Oh, I love how on time this is because they land in the month that we haven't even started February yet, although it is just a couple days away, but still it makes me feel like I'm punctual for some reason. So this kit is all about Starry Night. Oh, it's so cute. All right. I think I'm gonna really love this one because there's a lot of blue and blue is my favorite color. Oh, wow. Check out these stickers. These are for, usually put these around the actual dates in your Midori. So there's quite a few of them and they've got all the astrological signs as well. Don't know if anybody knows, but I used to be a huge fan of astrology. Still am. Like, I love all the different concepts and stuff. I don't necessarily believe in any of them, but I just love the theory behind it, I guess, and just learning more about it. And then I think we have a notebook. I have something very similar to this in one of the previous ones where the paper was, I don't know how to describe it. It was almost like a cross between washi paper and the Hobonichi Techo paper or something like that. But yeah, as you can see, it is relatively on the thinner side, but it's beautiful. The polar bear looking at the stars. And yeah, you just tear it off. Beautiful, love it. We have two pens. We have a mild liner, which I'm pretty sure most people know how mild liners write, so I'm probably not going to test it, but can you guys see the special design on it? Isn't that just amazing, Kirby? All my mild liners are just very standard, nothing special, but a couple of them, like I think I've got some Pokemon ones and a few others that have come from previous ZENPOP boxes, and I know this sounds so bad, but I feel like stationery lovers would understand. I fully treasure them because they're just works of art. And then we have a Uni Ball Signal Pen 0.38. I don't know if I have this particular version. I might have the 0.28, but hands down, these are some of the best gel pens. So I don't think I'm going to test them because these are like very popular, well-known pens, but they're some of the best like highlighters and pens that you'll ever find. So I'm really excited for this. I love that the pens that come in ZENPOP are not generic black pens. They're actually good quality, branded Japanese pens. That is definitely a big plus. And then we have a ruler, I think I have a notebook of this panda, and he's basically stripping himself of all things that make him a panda. So he turns into a polar bear. Quit panda. Do you see that? Quit panda. And then he's eaten the fish. I don't know. I just find it really funny. And then we have some post-it notes. Let me open this up. Yep. So it's like a little standing post-it note. Like you can put it on your desk like this. And yeah. I don't know, these post-it notes always feel more decorative than actual functional notes, so I would stick them in my planners rather than notes I'm trying to give people or on my computer. I have a lot of post-it notes on my computer at work just to remind me of things I have to do, but they're just the standard M3 post-it notes because you don't want to waste these ones on like stuff that you throw away a day later. And then we have a to-do list, which I think also would fit into your planner. Like the bears look like, like Relaxukuma. Oh, okay. I think you're supposed to have it here. And then this and then you can close it like an actual book, like that. I might just stick this back on, really. Oh, and it's like actual, I don't know if I said post-it notes or to-do list, but it's actual post-it notes, so it's sticky. Actually, I don't know if I'll stick it back here because I kind of like it just on its own like this. It's a little less like cumbersome. Then we have an actual notebook, but with actually Rilakuma. I don't know, last time did I say Relaxkuma? I always think Relaxkuma when I see him because he's relaxing in onsen, but it's Rilakuma. And there's two designs. You have this one here, and then you have this really cute one here. And then we have some washi stickers, 14 pieces. Let's open these up. They're like little slithers of landscape, if that makes sense. My like little world. Oh, okay. So literally they're supposed to represent different parts of the world maybe. Okay, they're kind of like parts of the world. Like you've got this like farmish, foresty one. Then you've got this night sky ocean one, rainbow. Like, this is so cool. Very cool. Like desert. Oh man. This is so unique. I don't think I've seen it anywhere. And the last one is a washi tape. Literally says Kira Kira on it. So I'm just gonna open this up. Hopefully the focus is intact and you can see it's like a mum polar bear and two baby polar bears walking at night in ice, and it's like shooting stars. And then you've got kind of like the aurora borealis in the background. Stunning. I think I'm constantly shocked at how creative and beautiful different washi tapes could be. Because I mean, I feel like I own lots of washi tape, like a lot of washi tape. And then when I open boxes like ZENPOP, I come across new washi tape that I've never seen before. It's amazing. Amazing. Okay, so that's pretty much everything in this month's ZENPOP box. I've changed my mind. I think I'm actually going to test out those pens. I already know what they're like, but I feel like in case you're somebody new to the channel and you haven't seen all my previous videos, you may not know how these write, so I'm gonna do it for those people. So I'll be right back. Okay, so the first one I'm gonna test out is the Uni Ball Pen. This is in the color blue black. And I think everyone, yeah, I'm just checking the thing, everyone gets the blue black, so it's not like it's multicolored or anything. So let's give it a shot. I mean, as suspected, it writes beautifully, very smooth, very inky. Yeah, really no complaints at all. I love it. I have a whole set of the colors. I just think that mine are in the finer tip version, but in a dream world, I would have all the colors in every thickness, but that is completely impractical and a little crazy. And now we're going to test out the mild liner. So if you guys aren't familiar with mild liners, basically they are two-sided. So you've got a thicker side here and a thinner side here that acts more like a marker. This is more like a highlighter. The thing that mild liners are really popular for is how pastel their highlights are, because highlights traditionally are more fluorescent and very contrasty and sharp in color. So that's why mild liners are really popular, especially in the at least for me in the planner study community, just because I feel like it's more calming and it's not as jarring. So let's try this out. This is pretty strong though. For a mild liner, it feels strong. I expected it to be a little bit more pastel. I have to compare it with my other ones. But yeah, as you can see, it's beautiful pigmentation, very inky. So yeah, those are the two pens, highlighters, markers, whatever you want to call it, that came with the kit. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.